So, yesterday I talked a lot. Today, I'm not going to talk at all.
Yeah, yeah.
The rap scholar here to make a dollar.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I just get really tired of hearing my own voice, so I had to change it up today. But we'll be back to normal vlogs tomorrow. And I'll never stop saying that I love using this microphone so much.
In the room, and because we had the teacher wanted to hear our ideas for our project. So this was I've already been staying there for half an hour waiting for it to be nice. Oh, I'm sorry, Mrs. Stafford. Okay, I didn't know people brought lunch to the art room and ate where art projects were done. That was so salty.